Are you seeing errors created by the Lockdownutil Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. To start fixing Lockdownutil Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Lockdownutil Library, a specialized localized utility module used for Windows lockdown features, assigned access. It manages the localized enforcement of shell restrictions and handles the localized verification of account permissions for restricted localized user environments. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files such as Lockdownutil Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Lockdownutil library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Lockdownutil Library, DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Lockdownutil Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Lockdownutil Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.